A good Erev Shabbos. We've all witnessed the tragic terrorism and attack against Jews. In this week's Torah portion, in the Haftorah, we read that the flood that destroyed the world was called Mayanot Noach, the waters of Noach. Why is it called the waters of Noach? It was a flood. The Zohar says that this implies that to a certain degree, Noach was responsible. He should have davened for his generation, prayed for them, tried to bring them to tshuva. So he takes responsibility. So too, we all are Kol Yisrael Arevin Zelazer. We are all one family. We have to feel the pain of Am Yisrael, and at the same time, it is incumbent on each and every one of us to bring light, holiness, and godliness into this world and pave the way for the coming of Mashiach.